How to find jobs. In Luxembourg. Welcome to your Knowledge Kit. We make informative content on study abroad, scholarships, work opportunities, and more. In today's video, we have gathered some of the information you need to secure a job in Luxembourg as EU or non-EU citizen. Please subscribe if it's your first time on this channel. If you are ready to explore, be familiar with the following ways of searching for job in Luxembourg. 1. Use social media and messengers, LinkedIn, Facebook, Telegram. 2. Special job-related sites, such as Relocate Me, GovJobs, and Uris, by specifying Luxembourg as a location. 3. Local employment agency ADEM, where you can find open vacancies in the job search. 4. With social networking and the help of friends, you can get a job. The most popular jobs are concentrated around the following sectors: financial audit and control accounting, IT research and development credit risk analysis, secretary restaurant service, expertise in technical support and information systems, kitchen staff, legal consulting system analysts, front office, financial markets. Language usage varies, with Luxembourgish, French, and German common in administration and media, and other languages like English, Italian, and Portuguese also spoken, reflecting diverse expat communities. Resume and cover letters. Crafting a polished application, including a well-structured resume and concise cover letter, is essential for job seekers in Luxembourg. Ensure your resume, written in English and/or French, covers contact details, education, experience, personal projects, and skills, all on one A4 sheet with clear headings. Your cover letter, whether in the jobs language, English, or as an email attachment, should be concise, structured, and professionally written, mentioning the position applied for and your motivations. Disclaimer: THIS serves for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. You are strongly encouraged to verify information through official channels and seek professional legal guidance for their specific circumstances. Get sources of information in the YouTube video description. Any further questions? Don't hesitate to reach us. Explore more on our website, YourKnowledgeKit.com, subscribe, like, comment, and share to support our community. Good luck.